Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for tuning in. I'm back with another video. I know I've been gone for a while. I got gray hair since the last time you saw me, but it's all genetic, I promise. Today, I'm going to be unboxing or unbagging a travel bag that I got because I'll be going to Jamaica soon. So I needed like a bag to kind of like carry with me to hold like my sunglasses or a little small thing, cell phone, wallet, something to hold all that, because last time I went to Mexico, I had lost my Ray-Bans and I was real upset about that. And I was like, you know what? Next time I have a bag with me, because I was trying to keep all this stuff in my pocket and then it ended up falling out in one of the buggies or one of the taxis or whatever. So, but it ended up falling out my pocket. So that is my reason for this purchase right here. And I came across this nice Coach bag that I want to show you guys and just kind of give you a review of and what I think about it. All right, so I went to Coach at the Tanger Outlets here in North Carolina. Nice store. When I walked in, they greeted me. But this is the bag right here that I want to show you all. My friend Shamel helped me pick this. Shout out to her. So this is the bag right here. Very nice looking bag. You can't go wrong with Coach. Let me show you the back. You can see that it has like a leather flap. Oh, you can actually keep something in here. I ain't even peep this right here. Okay, so this little flap can hold something too. This is in, I believe, charcoal black, as you can see. You got one big pocket, and then you also got a little pocket right here. Paper there. So inside, you got your big pocket. You got the Coach tag right there. You have this compartment right here to keep things in right here. It's pretty deep. It's pretty deep. Probably goes about to just about before the end of the bag. This is where the pocket kind of ends on the inside. From the big pocket. This is the smaller pocket. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, you have a pocket right here. And then also the opening over top of that. So basically just a two zipper options you have here. A lot of space though. I tried to fit my iPad. I'm looking at myself on my iPad, so I can't demonstrate, but I have the 13-inch iPad. It can fit in here if you squeeze it in there, but it'll be like really snug. But I'm sure you can fit like an 11-inch iPad if you have that in here very easily. And then of course you put like your phone, sunglasses, you know, all that in here. Let me demonstrate that real quick for you. But let me go ahead and put some stuff in there just to give you an idea. Put all that in there. You put your phone, your sunglasses, so you don't lose anything like I did. But basically there's a lot of space, so I can't really, you know what I'm saying, I can't explain it anymore. You have a lot of space. Oh shoot, did I scratch that? No, I didn't. I'm trying to like give y'all a view. But basically, you know what I'm saying, you keep that, that'll be on your back. Or you can wear it in the front, you know what I'm saying? However you want to do it. My shirt look a little crazy. But you can do it however you want to do it. But my main reason for getting this bag is because I don't want to lose my sunglasses again. I was real pissed about that. I'm not gonna lie, like when these bags were like, when they first was like popular, I was like, man, I ain't wearing that, man. That's a purse, or you know what I'm saying? But I understand, you know what I'm saying, the use behind it. And it's funny because with my family, we went to Dubai and my uncle had something like this and he was wearing it. We was just joking on him the whole time about his purse. And that was funny. And now look at me like, nah, see the use of it. But he was smart, yeah. Now I won't lose my sunglasses or any little small things when we're doing like excursions or walking to town or anything. So I feel good about this purchase right here. And hey, if my family got jokes, hey, it's all good. I'm not gonna lose anything. That's all that matters. That's all, man. But thank you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna try to come up with more videos and reviews for you. But thank you for tuning in.